In this lesson, you'll use one of the brushes that you downloaded from the Adobe website to distress the sides of the shape using the layer mask. The next thing you want to do is put a layer mask on the shape layer. At the bottom of the layers panel, click on the square with the circle in it. That will create a layer mask. Put a black in the foreground color and try different brushes. Have some fun with this. In your design, turn on the woman photo layer so you can see what's happening on the shape when you paint on it. If you paint black on the shape, it's going to conceal the shape. See the little black in the layer mask right there? If you paint white in those areas, it's going to reveal the shape. So it's up to you what brush you want to use, but you want to make the sides of the shape look distressed. I picked a different brush, use black in the foreground color, and I'm going to paint a little bit up here like this, and on the right side over here. Then I'm going to get a white in the foreground color and paint back some of the parts that were removed and some of the parts over here that were removed. There we go. That's looking interesting. The distress on the shape doesn't have to look like the original poster. It's up to you what you want that distressed look to look like. This lesson will continue in the next video.